Tired of letting your competitors steal the spotlight and those precious customers? Let's transform your business into a review magnet by claiming and optimizing your Google business profile. It's easier than you think and super effective. First, head over to Google Maps and search for your business name, or if you're new, just type in the category you fit in and location. See your business listed? Awesome. Click on it and you should see an option that says claim this business. If you don't see your business listed, there will be an option to add it. Click it. Now comes the fun part, confirming your identity. You'll need to fill in all of your business details accurately: name, address, phone number, and category. Make sure everything is spot on for verification. Google offers a few ways to verify, like snail mail, phone, or email. Choose the option that works best for you and follow the instructions to confirm it is yours. Once verified, welcome to your dashboard. Here you can respond to reviews, both good and bad. Engaging with your customers builds trust and shows you care, so always respond promptly. Time to start collecting those 5-star reviews. Generate a short review link from your profile and share it everywhere. Email, social media, even print it on your receipts. Don't be shy. After a positive customer interaction, politely ask them to leave a review. It's the best way to boost your online presence and attract new business. Congratulations, you're on your way to building a stellar online reputation, so go ahead. Take control of your Google business profile, engage with your customers, and watch your business thrive.